Hey guys, sanibona. So the DNA tests are back. Uzwelakhe is to find out whether he's Mkhize or not. But my prediction is akawuyena kaMkhize. I mean, it's obvious. Siyazonke ukuthi uzenzalani lapha. Uzwelakhe will find out ukuthi akawuyena kaMkhize and izinto zimshubele. Which is what I want to talk about here on this video. But before continuing with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it and if you subscribe to this channel. Please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down so that you can watch my past videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So let's continue with it. As we all know by now, Uzwelakhe did DNA test for him. So now we wait to find out ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Is he really Mkhize? Because unesinamhlanje umlethela ama results and ishow iphela obvious. Bevele bezoqeda kanjena, I knew it. Ishow iphela Uzwelakhe emangele after reading the results, meaning that akawuyena kaMkhize. It might happen with everyone else ukhethiwe nomusa bakaMkhize, but yena he's definitely not Mkhize. Ngibone mina ngokuthi bamxabanisa nomusa ukuthi no man, something bad is gonna happen here. And I created a video yesterday stating that after umusa finds out Uzwelakhe awuyena walapha kaMkhize akasalokhetho wakhe, then izinto zomshubela Uzwelakhe, because umusa will make sure ukuthi he kicks Uzwelakhe out of everything, the business, the house, like everything. Uzwelakhe is like, I feel sad for Uzwelakhe because it looks like the season or the ngizothini noma yini mhlambe this period is not a very good period for him. Izomshubela hayi kancane. So guys, comment down in the comment section nje ngicabanga sithi the results are out. Ngabe Uzwelakhe uzothwa kaMkhize noma gona yini. So comment down in the comment section and share that. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and also share this video on your Facebook, share it on your Twitter, share it on your Instagram. And all of that being said, this is the end. And thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.